Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! So, I decided to put this on mute and do a voiceover instead because the radio was on, we were blasting music, and obviously I'm gonna get in trouble if I leave the music on. So that's why I'm doing a voiceover today. I hope that's all right. So today we've gone out to look for food. As you heard from the news, or you've not heard, UK has been given another 3 weeks lockdown, and yeah, we usually shop every 2 weeks, and right now there's no much food left in the house, and we really need food. So we've gone out to search, to hunt for food, you guys, and as you can see, like, the queue is too much. From the clip where we went to the shop, and we've been driving in to see if we can get food, and each time we go we see like a lot of people were standing on the line. Like, the queue is like literally too much, and oh my god, like, if you want to order food online, you're gonna have to wait for 3 weeks for the food to deliver, and you're not making your choices. They will make your choice for you, and they give you whatever they please, whatever they think is good for you, not what you think is good for you. So, and you're gonna have to wait for 3 weeks, and nobody wants to do that. That's why we've gone out today to see if we can find any food to buy. And I hope you see what the street of Reading, this is Reading, London, looks like. So empty, so quiet, so unusual, and so scary. This is like zombie apocalypse, yo. So guys, we're just navigating to go to B&M and all these shops around here to see if there's anything we can get hold of. And it's a total I don't know what to call it, but look at the queue here. The queue is just like, I'm scared of getting off the car to come and stand here, yo. I wouldn't be able to do it. Like, they let you go in and then that person comes out and stuff like that. I don't think I'll be able to do that. I don't think I want to stand here. Some people haven't got masks on, because at the end of the day, some people have this and they don't know they have it. And you're standing close to somebody that hasn't got a mask and you don't know what is happening. You don't know, they will sneeze and cough. I know everybody's standing far, but nah, I ain't doing that. Nah, so just turned around and left. Yeah. So guys, I would like you to tell me what is happening from your own end. Have you been given another time to stay back inside, like another lockdown? Have you been told to stay back inside, or are you continuing? What is going on? Or are they letting you guys go back to work or go back to school, like live a normal life? Let me know at the comment section below. Let's know what is happening from your own end. From my own end, we've been told to stay back in the house for 3 good weeks again, because this virus ain't going nowhere. Okay, let me know what you guys are up to in the comment section below, and we'll interact from there. I hope you like this video, and comment, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, like I said, and we will take it from there. And guys, I will see you in my next other video. Guys, take care of yourself, look after yourself, stay safe, and bye.